He's so pretty. It's just so pretty. Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Halloween. It is my favorite time of year and I'm super excited to be doing this video. Y'all, I finally bought my first designer bag ever. So if you guys are ready to get into this video, how about hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to keep up with all my future videos. For damn sure, hit that like button and let me know in the comment section how y'all feeling about Halloween and how y'all feeling about this look. You feel me? Giving y'all glam plus size skeleton realness. So let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so I'm super excited to show y'all my new designer bag, y'all. Like, I can't believe I bought my first all on my own, no sugar daddy help, nothing. I truly just bought this bag for myself, as a gift to myself. So I'm super excited to be showing it to you guys. But before we even get into this bag, let me take this mask off so y'all can catch this good face that I'm serving today, y'all. I really beat my face today and I'm so proud. Even though I love the mask, but it gets hot. Like dead ass, it gets hot. But y'all, this is from Party City. I got this for like $26 and I think it's so cute. And it's damn sure gonna go with the look that I'm doing tonight. So, and then I did like a little something. I don't think it's kind of like pinup-ish. I'm not sure if, like, what you want to call this. I saw another YouTuber do it and I just thought it was super cute. So I was like, let me just reenact it, you know? Feel very Morticia. What y'all think? Okay, let's get into the back because I know y'all don't care about what I'm talking about. So, I bought my very first Coach purse. I saw Megan Thee Stallion post this at one point in time. I think she was doing like the little Varsity the Varsity like campaign, and I saw the bag and I've been seeing a few girls with this bag and I just had to have it. And I got it on sale because I think they were doing like a small Black Friday sale. So I was like, I've been staring at it, might as well go get it. So this is the packaging that it came in. I just ordered it. I was going to go to the outlets with Elaine, but unfortunately I was just like, I can just order it. Spare everybody time and gas and energy. So yeah. So let's get this open. I don't even want to open it because I feel like I'm messing up the pretty packaging. Y'all, they was not playing with how they packaged this purse. Okay. So, this is the bag. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen other YouTubers have this bag. I just think it's so pretty. And it just says me. So, it's like, yay. And this is like my very first Tote purse. Like, I'm normally a crossbody type of chick. But y'all, this is just, he's so pretty. It's just so pretty. Like get into the detail. Let's just start there. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So on the price tag, I guess it says this bag would have normally went for $428 goddamn. Simone was not spending that. I'm sorry. No ma'am. I actually, for the sale that they did, I actually got this bag for like $100 and like, I'm gonna say just to round it, make it even, $112. So that's a pretty good saving because I was not spending the $4. I can go get a tattoo for that. No ma'am. But y'all, this is, God, the pictures did not do this bag justice at all. This makes me feel that it looks like the what's that? The Neverfull from Louis Vuitton. This is what this bag is giving me. God, they put a lot of paper in here, but y'all, I got so much room in this bag. This is crazy. Oh, this is, y'all know I gotta smell everything. It just smells like just a new purse. This is just so pretty. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to rock this. I can't wait. This is probably going to be like my Black Friday all throughout the holiday purse. I'm excited. I'm excited. Look, just, oh, I'm excited. Can y'all tell that I'm super excited for this bag? It comes with like a little, what's this thing? I want to say a little tag, and it says Coach on it. But I also decided to go like on Amazon and purchase me like a little key purse chain. Let me show you guys, because I wanted to keep the pink theme going. So I got this cute one from Amazon. It was like $7. It's a blinged out pink heart, and it kind of matches the pink exterior on the purse, so you guys are going to see it right here. And then I also went and bought another one, not a heart, but it has like an S on it, and it has a crown, because all hail to the queen. But you know, so I'm gonna have this on top of the purse. So I was like, oh my god, I wanted to get the notebook. Okay, y'all, let me know if I'm too late for the notebook, but I saw the notebook at a later time from another YouTuber, and I was like, I really want the notebook. I didn't want the wallet because I already have a wallet that I'm gonna put with this, and it's blinged out, and I think it will go so cute with this. But I really want the notebook. Like, if y'all can help me find the notebook that matches this purse, please put it in the comment section. But it's so pretty. Oh, I'm happy. I might actually wear this out tonight. What y'all think? Should I take this out tonight? What y'all think? Should she make a grand entrance at this party I'm going to? Just let me know. Should I bring baby out? But oh my god, this is just so freaking pretty. I think I'm gonna go back and get the backpack. What y'all think? Should I get the backpack? If I should get the backpack, type in yes to backpack. Just type yes backpack, and I'll get the backpack, and I'll unbox it for you guys. But I'm gonna have so much stuff in here. Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, that's really it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my new tote. I'm about to chill out for a second before I head out to this party, and I will definitely see you guys all next time. Happy Halloween. Stay tuned because I have another video dropping behind this. I'm giving y'all 2 videos. So my second video that y'all gonna hear me talk about it in my other video, but I'm reenacting like pictures of my mom, and I just think that is just so fun, and I was having fun while I was shooting. It's already done, but stay tuned for that. Definitely don't miss it. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.